1 minute before 7 p.m. But I would like to start the program, the Astronomy Day in Schools project 2024, June solstice, summer solstice in Northern Hemisphere, and winter solstice in Southern Hemisphere. So welcome all of you to come to this program again. So first I have to say, so please forgive me my poor time scheduling or other things. So still, you are very kind and generous to prepare many great resources and kindly come to this meeting again. So thank you very much and welcome to this program. So now it is 7 p.m. in Japan, but since here it is summer solstice, the longest day for the year in Japan, so it's still daytime, so it's very rare in Japan. So in other times, in autumnal equinox or winter solstice, 7 p.m. is very dark. Okay, so today, many schools and students and teachers are joining this program. One school from Japan, and Narit, and 4 schools from Thailand, and Municipal Center for Extracurricular Activity, Director Ivo Jokin from Bulgaria will present, and Romania. Thank you very much. Many schools. I cannot count the exact number of schools. Many schools from Romania, and I know that many teachers are very busy today, even though teachers kindly prepared many things regardless of the heavy duties. And after that, on-demand video, but the Hellenic Institute of Egyptology in Greece, and some very short video message from Brazil. Okay, so first, okay, so before going to the first country, Japan, so Bun Raksa, the president of Commission C1, yes, this program is under the Commission C1 of the International Astronomical Union. Bun Raksa, he currently joining this program every time, and he is the president of the Commission C1. So Bun Raksa, please give us your welcome message.
Okay, just a short greeting. So good afternoon or good morning to all participants of the ADiS at the June solstice 2024. As I already mentioned to Tomita-san that I am now in Indonesia, and it's 5 o'clock, the same zone time as in Thailand. It's getting dark, you know, because I'm in the southern hemisphere already. Indonesia is about 7 degrees south for the latitude. So it's become maybe winter solstice here in the southern hemisphere. Yesterday, I had a chance to see the sunset at 23.5 degrees from the west, right? In Indonesia, it's very nice. Yeah, we organized the workshop. And this morning also, I watched the sunrise. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so please turn off the microphone. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
So I hope everybody enjoys celebrating, the solstice to welcome summer in the northern hemisphere and welcome winter in the southern hemisphere. So I'm glad today that many schools that will give the nice presentation about their activity in the school during
Thank you. Thank you very much, Barak. So I would like to say thank you again and again because you are very kind and you are continuously encouraging this project. Okay, so the first country. Okay, so in the participants list, so I saw many names from Romania, from Thailand, from Japan, and from Iran. Oh, thank you very much. Madi, long time no see. Hossein. Okay, so first I would like to start from Japan. 兵庫県立大学附属中学校の皆さん、用意はよろしいでしょうか？ Are you ready?
Okay. Hello, Tomita Sensei. Thank you
Hi.
for giving us great opportunity. Today is a hot and cloudy summer solstice. Students want to, today we welcome the new member, high school student member, and first grade junior high school members. Students want to talk many topics, so each person make a short presentation, but a little bit longer than we expected. I'm sorry. So let's start first. Can you see our slide?
Yes, of course, clearly. No problem.
Okay, the first, Mana, please.
Hello, we are students belong to the Science Club Astronomy Group of Junior and High School of University of Hyogo. Today, we want to talk about Japanese culture in summer solstice. Summer solstice is mean the days will last a long time. Today is the day with the longest daylight hours of the year.
In Japan, there are no common foods or ceremonial foods for the summer solstice as national customs. However, each region has its own unique custom. For example, Mie Prefecture and Aichi Prefecture and Kyoto Prefecture. The Myoto Iwa is a place of beefy body and soul before visiting the Ise Jingu Shrine. On the day of the summer solstice, you can see the sunrise from between the Myoto Iwa in the morning. Also, you can see the sunrise from behind Mount Fuji. Next, I will talk about Kyoto. In this season, you can eat a sweet called Minazuki in Kyoto. Minazuki is the sixth month in all Japan. The triangle represents ice. The red color of red beans represent burning of evil spirits. Last, I will talk about Aichi. Do you know fig? Fig flowers are not visible because they grow inside the fruits. So figure writing in kanji as not flower fruits. In IT, there is a culture of eating fish from sweet miso.
Next, I'm talking about our club activity. This is today. This is today's sun. Can you see sunspots? This is sunspot. We took the photos that we are owing the sun using the two telescopes. I am trying to find the sunspots period by observing sunspots. This is M57. We took the photo on June 7th. We are observing stars all night.
Tomorrow we will have science lecture about the Hayabusa 2 project in Tatsuno City. It is for elementary students, 6 years to 12 years old. There is a company called Satoseki in Tatsuno City that made the transport container for Hayabusa 2. We will also conduct vacuum experiments and look at the small stone. Where did Hayabusa and Hayabusa 2 go? Hayabusa 2 went to Ryugu. Hayabusa 1 went to Itokawa. About the Hayabusa 2 transport container. The company that made it is Satoseki. It stopped the oxygen combined with the sample.
We will use marshmallows, balloons, and a vacuum pump. And we will tell the children about vacuum. We thought this experiment will make children to imagine environment of the space much easier. We are going to use a slide like this. We use many cute illustrations for children to make them fun. We will show to the children meteorites preparatory. We are so nervous because this is our first challenge to be a teacher. But we are looking forward to see elementary school students. We will do our best so that the children will enjoy it.
We are second grade, now trying to research about light pollution with a Big Dipper. We are taking some star pictures at the same time and sharing it with other researchers in different places. I took this picture 3 days ago. I will report next time.
We are third grade students. We are researching about the spectrums and taking photos. Last time we were using some spectrum seats, but we changed the equipment. We used an spectrometer and we connected with the telescope like this. This is a picture of this Arcturus. Can you see the round spectrum in the picture? We finally took a picture of the spectrum of the M57. So now on, we are trying to analyze this spectrum. We would like to talk more details about our research next time. If you have any advice, please contact us. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, so many topics, including light pollution by photography. It is first organized by Iranian colleagues, and spectroscopy. So you have improved much more than previous one. And you are doing outreach activity to elementary schools, young children. So it's very nice. Oh, okay. So, dear participants, so if you have any comments and advice or feedback, so we welcome your comments and feedback. Or, okay, I would like to see chat. Okay. Okay, so do someone have comments and feedback? Okay. I would like to see chat. Okay, so anytime you can write feedback and comments and advice in the chat area, and students can pick up your advice and feedback. 兵庫県立大学附属中学校の皆さん、発表ありがとうございます。とても印象的です。特に、スペクトルについては、格段の進歩、新しい機械ですけども、特に、星雲の写真はですね、赤い輪っかと緑色の輪っかがありましたね。赤い方は、水素と窒素ですね。青い方は、酸素ですね。もう一度そのスペクトルの写真出していただけますか？すぐには出ない。最後の星雲のスペクトルの写真。
はい、お待ちください。
これですね。So, other participants, so do you see the nebula spectrum of M57, the ring nebula, the planetary nebula in the constellation Lyra-Harp? Yes, the green circle and red circle. Yes, the green circle is the oxygen emission line of the nebula, and red circle is the hydrogen and nitrogen emission line of the nebula. Yes, so this the other spectrum is the continuum spectrum, meaning they are stellar spectra, but not a continuous, but sparse. Only specific color spectrum is characteristics to nebula spectrum. Yes, a very nice spectrum. So students, you will be able to analyze, for example, first thing you can do is the classification. Is this star? Is this a nebula or the combination of star or nebula? And the second step is to take a ratio of the intensity of the emission line. Okay, so maybe other schools, teachers, and students have some comments and advice. So please write your advice or your feedback in the chat area. Okay, thank you very much. それでは、Oh, yes. Do you have any comments? Yes, thank you very much. So the teacher is maybe the teacher is explaining about what is the spectrum and what is the point we should see to his students. Okay, so じゃあ兵庫県立大学附属中学校の皆様ありがとうございます。たくさん学校ありますので、次に順番に移りたいと思います。よろしいでしょうか。
ありがとうございます。Thank you very much.
はい、他の発表への質問があればよろしくお願いします。Okay, thank you very much. So this is the presentation from Japanese junior high school, age 13, 14, and 15 or 16-year-old students. Okay, so thank you very much. So next, we would like to move to Thailand, organized by NARIT, National Astronomical Research Institute of Thailand. And Kom-san, are you here? Okay, so I would like to check the participant list. Kom-san. Maybe he's very busy. Yes, he will present about astronomy activities in rainy season. Yes, in Japan, we also have the rainy season in June. Okay, Komu-san, maybe he will be here later. Okay, so the 4 schools from Thailand are preparing the presentation. So the first school is Laognam Pitacom School. The title is Astronomy Classroom and Astronomy Activities at Ubon Ratchathani Geopark. Presentation by the teacher, Paniwad Senked, and students Pinchanok and Sashipim. Is it all right?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I'm from Lao Ngam Pitayakam School, and today I will present about the astronomic activity in my classroom. Yeah. So.
Yes, I clearly see your slides.
Okay, so thank you very much. My topic is about the difficulty of learning about diurnal motions. And I study of grade 12 grade students. Diurnal motion, I think everyone will know about diurnal motion, that the celestial objects move in the sky. Yeah, and I assign this topic to my student, and to study the students' representation about celestial motion. So I use the equipments like this to I make it by myself by using a plastic globe, the low cost equipment for teaching astronomy. Yeah, and this one, the right hand side, student making by themselves to demonstrate how the sky movement. Yes, they use paper plates for horizontal and this group for celestial sphere. Yes. So this is the activity in my classroom. And I use the simulation to show my student how celestial move up in the various latitude of the observers. Yes. And then I let my student do these assignments. So they have to draw the direction of the motion in the sky. And I found that my student cannot learn about connect the relative about 2-dimension, because 2-dimension to 3-dimension in the real sky. Therefore, I use this planetarium to let my student go inside and demonstrate how the celestial movement inside. So exactly, this is supported by Narit. Yes. And I let my student to do by themselves. Yes. This is the picture inside the planetarium. Yeah, it's made by plastic paper. And the last sequence of my teaching, I use this picture that I take by myself to show my student about star trail, to show the direction of the celestial objects. Yeah, something like that. But I found that some students have misconception to draw the direction of the star move in the sky, like this one. When we observe in the north, at the north. Yes. Yeah, something like that. My student make it not correct. Yeah, at when this picture show for the observer at the equator. Yes, latitude equator. And some student can draw direction is correctly. Yeah. And the next step, I plan to invite my student to take photo about star trail to help them to understand how the celestial move. Yes. Yes. And I in this slide, I ask my student to join the mini workshop to make a star trail. Yes, but not this month because it's rainy season. Yes, it's all about me. Next is my students. เอาเลยครับเช่นครับ so thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, astronomy activity at อุบลราชธานี Geo Park. This is a map of the Wessis Park. Five weeks at เหล่างามพิทยาคม School. There are game activation of province novels about the Negestarium, Costring, the Penis. Astronomy learning promotion project September. Province Lowlands and do activation to painting court drop. Part rural. Partial rural August 29 October 2023. Trade art, trade left, through help through view the moon. Jupiter operation. Take a photo Jupiter. There is a Pisces activity. Astrofirst 2024. The 13th January 2024. Give out 5 sets. Full pastor the class. Astronomy Camp No. 2. Teaching camp. Teaching camera sitting and stole the telescope, carry and symmetry and a star map. Like home festival. Like home star station was music. Was the Harvard Media Server. Read how to trace up the table and to a telescope to work with the planets. The first light of the sun for wonder. Watch the star at night with the dash of music. Wake up early to see the first sunlight of the day. Dark sky star party in race with a table cloth and past hours for churches.
And the last one is.
And the last one. And the last one is subjects are placed in the open air and photographs are taken as the sun passes overhead.
Yes, it's so thank you very much. And I would like to say so sorry about my poor English skill. Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. No problem. So the language barrier is serious to all of us. Okay, but we are very happy and lucky that we can exchange idea and resources using English or other devices. So first, I would like to say thank you very much. Okay, so I found one question in the chat. So how old the students are for the teacher's research? So the 12th grade. So how old are they?
Yes, these slides. The student, there are 30 students in my class.
Mhm.
Yes, and there are some students, about 3 students, that draw the direction of the motion of the star like this. Oh, so sorry.
Yes, yes.
Yes, this one.
Yes. So I think maybe they are 17 or 18 years old of the 12th grade. So the question is that how old are they? 17 years old, 18 years old?
Yeah,
How?
17 years old.
Okay, okay. Yes. So yes, in Japan, the situation is very similar. So the question was from Romania teacher. So the diurnal motion or other motion of celestial bodies, motion of stars, motion of the sun and moon, and the moon phase. So there seems to be very daily life contents, but still they are not so easy to understand. Yes. So I think these contents are mathematical. So we need changing the viewing angle. We need transformation from 2D to 3D. We need to make the model in our brain. So students need to some mathematical skill to understand the configuration of the heavenly bodies and the motion of the stars and the sun and the moon. So yes, of course, I understand that it is not easy for students, and sometimes it's not easy for even teachers to understand the whole figure of these concepts. Yes, thank you very much. And other countries' teachers also get interested in these results, and maybe in chat. Okay. Yes, nice low-cost astronomy. Yes, the school teachers are very good at low-cost astronomy. Yes, the same thing in Japan. And okay, so my comment about your presentation is that the students have the activity to very young children. Yes. So this is very similar to Japanese schools students presentation. So high school students, middle school students can have the outreach activity to much younger students. So it's very nice and it's very good.
Yeah, so thank you very much.
Yeah. Avik, so do you have any comments? Please go ahead.
Yes, thank you. The comment as I have read in chat, this is a very nice activity, especially for the celestial sphere. I would really like to learn about this, and I would ask the people who are presenting that how we can exchange the ideas, because celestial sphere, if you try to buy a celestial sphere to show it to students, then it's very costly, especially taking it to the rural areas. And this activity which Panivar has designed is actually very effective to take the basic idea. Also, to add, your planetarium idea is also nice, because again, the cost of a planetarium building, and I from your picture, I can see stellarium is well displayed. So nice ideas. Thank you. And let me know how we can connect. Probably I would like to learn how you have made that celestial sphere. Thank you.
Thank you for the comments.
Yes.
So, yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Yes. So the mobile planetarium is a very nice idea, and many times NARIT and Thailand schools many times present this kind of teaching material. So it's very nice. Yes. And you are projecting the stellarium. Okay, Baraksa, let's go ahead.
Хорошо. Дай трогу din telefonul tău. Te rog. Un pic. Sunt la o conferință.
Yeah, my internet connection is not very helpful in understanding the diagonal motion. I think it's mobile planetarium, too many schools already. Yeah. So the student can learn. Yeah. I'm
Yes.
sorry, my internet connection is
Tata, să-mi facă și mie. Unde ești, Matei?
Okay. Yes. Sometimes the microphone on and off.
yeah,
Okay,
right.
so Baraksa,
Internet
thank you very
connection
much.
is not good. Right.
Okay, so thank you very much. So very nice activity, and many other teachers and students can be inspired by your activity. Thank you very much for sharing your great activity. Thank you very much, students and teachers from Raognem Pitayakom School. And so I would like to call Kom-san. Are you here? Not yet. Maybe he's very busy. Okay, yeah, he's very busy. Okay, so I would like to call the next school from Thailand, Satri Phuket School. So every time, thank you very much. The teacher, Nisa Fandapa, and many other students. So if you are ready to present your presentation, please go ahead. The teacher Nisa Fangdapa and the students Chloe, Jasmine, Yok, Ming.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we are here, and our teacher making it right now.
Yes, very nice slides. Yes, I can see clearly.
So, hello everyone. We are from Sri Phuket School, and for our topic of astronomy today is Starry Night over Phuket rainy season. So, as everyone know that Phuket is located near the equator, and it's characterized that Phuket is an island surrounded by sea with the mostly mountainous like terrain. So due to these environmental factors, yeah, you can see Phuket and this
Nu.
our
Nu am.
due to these environmental factors, Phuket has experienced rainfall almost all year round.
Okay, please go ahead.
The first activity we are presenting today is the Constella box, which look like this. The preparation involved printing the model on paper and preparing LED lights, scissors, and a cutter. When the activity starts, we distribute everything to the children so they can cut and perforate the paper along the mark points. Then the children place the LED light inside the box and close it. This box can be used as a tool to teach children about constellation used to find the North Star, such as Orion, Cassiopeia, or Scorpius, used to locate the Milky Way, and other zodiac constellations like Libra, Aries, or Gemini, which is the constellation of June, the rainy season month. It also served as a symbol of our club and the Konkan Observatory, which we aspire to visit. The next activity is one that excites, especially young children, is the hologram of planet activity that use the light reflection to create 3D images. We prepare clear plastic sheet, template, markers, glue, and scissors. First, draw and cut plastic sheet according to the template and assemble them with glue. Once the plastic sheet is prepared, shown as the picture. And this activity not only teach us about planets in the solar system, but also teach us about physics contents. As you know, the rainy season is not very favorable for astronomers like us, and it's prevent us from seeing the true beauty of the star and the night sky. Even though we always have a backup, we still prefer it not to rain. You can follow our astronomy activities on Facebook at Astronomy SPK. We hope to have the opportunity to stargaze together on a beautiful night.
Thank you very much. So every time the Astronomy SPK, you are sharing the great activity and great reports and great resources with us every time. And this time again, thank you very much. And also, this time also, you are doing activity to young children. So inspiring young children is very important and very significant and very good activities to young children, and also very good to all of us. Okay, thank you very much in the chat. Very nice. Interdisciplinary activities are the best from Romanian teacher. Yes, thank you very much. So please refer to the chat area. You will find some great message or feedback from other countries' teachers and students. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so I would like to call the next school from Renuna Witayanukul School. Sorry for my poor pronunciation. The title is Support Astronomy Learning in Our Local Community by teacher Faikam Fedupud and 3 students, Kittipon, Apichaya, and Krir Kai. Are you there? Are you here? And are you ready for your presentation?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Faikam Pheutkut. I am a teacher and Renunakon Witayanukul School Astronomy Club advisor. Today, I and my team will present the activity we have done about support astronomy learning in our local community. There are 3 members in my team. I will let them introduce themselves first.
Hello, my name is Kittipon Pheutkut. My nickname is Poom. I'm from Mathayom 6-1.
My name is Gertrai Hungjalern, student at Renunakon Witayanukul School. มัธยม 5/1 My nickname is Nat.
Hello, my name is Avishya Kanchak. My nickname is Chao. I'm from 4/1.
Astronomy Club organize various activities for students in Rainunicorn Withinakul School and other schools, including people in local community who are interested in astronomy.
Today summer solstice this in solstice summer or summer solstice day is we did many activities such as finding the sign of the earth using Eratosthenes principle, and we should and we submit photos to NARIT, and we won popular award prize.
Astronomy in Rainunicorn Scout Camp activity observe the sun during daytime and the moon at night. Observe superfull moon activity observe the moon and other objects by telescope. Study information science. Astronomy Day in Rainunicorn Withinakul School. We have done many activities, but the most impressive ones are the sun observing and stone planting. Study the planetarium, observe motion of objects in the sky, constellations, and astronomical phenomena.
Astronomy in Nakhon Phanom Province Annual Festival, Winter Festival, activities, watch the moon and other sky objects for 1 baht. Astronomy in INTS City Annual Festival, บุญเดือน 4. Observe the moon, Jupiter, Saturn, and other sky objects. Observe total lunar eclipse in Loi Krathong's Day. Many local Rainunicorn people were very excited and participated in the activities. Observe Jupiter opposition. We held the activities at Rainunicorn Street Food. Both children and adults joined the activities happily.
Astronomy in primary school.
Don't mind it.
Observe the sun and study planetarium. We gave astronomical teaching media. Astronomy in Children's Day. Children observe the sun and play game. They could see 3D image of solar system to an application. All the activity that Rainunicorn Withinakul Astronomy Club has done. We found that people in our community got more interested in astronomy. More and more people join us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very nice and impressive activity to local people and local children. And also very nice club activity. So yes, we are also in rainy season in Japan, but the student club activity is very active even during the rainy days. Yes, this is the same. Okay, so everybody, do you have any comments? Or I have some comments in chat. Oh, thank you too from Romania teacher. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, I have one question. So in your slide, there is the Children's Day. So is Children's Day national holiday or other special day? So what day is the Children's Day?
เราจะตอบว่ายังไง
The second Saturday.
It's not
in
holiday, it's weekend.
Yes.
Yes.
In Japan, we also have the Children's Day on May the 5th. May the 5th is the national holiday of Children's Day. So my question is that is the Children's Day in your slide also a national special day or other special day?
Actually, it's a special day, but not a holiday, I think. Normally they
Okay.
organize during the weekend, and many students can join, I
Okay,
think.
so what day is the Children's Day in Thailand?
Normally in January, I think. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. But
But
so
not just any particular day. Yeah.
okay,
It
so
depends.
okay. So we also have the Children's Day on May the 5th, about 1 month ago. So I think that we can have the same culture in common called the
Yeah.
Children's Day. Yes, of course, the every day is the Children's Day. Yes,
Right.
of course. Okay,
You're right.
thank you very much. Okay, so another chat comment. Yes, in Romania, it's the 1st of June. So yes, in many countries, we have the Children's Day. Okay, so it's the new finding. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you have any comments and feedback, please write in your chat area so we can pick up and we can exchange the idea and we can reply to each other. Okay, so thank you very much, teachers and students from Renua Kom Witayanu School. Thank you very much. Okay, so I would like to call the last school from Thailand, Cox Sawang Witayanu Son School. The title is Astronomical Activities for Our Students and Communities, organized by Cox Sawang Witayanu Son School. The teacher Spachai Changnam and many students. So are you here?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming again. Okay, so please go ahead.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. สวัสดีครับ We are from Astronomy Thailand. Hello everyone, my name is Supachai Chanyam. I'm a teacher advisor of this club. Today we will present astronomical activity that we organize for our students in the last 3 months. Contain 3 topics. 1, astronomical activity in school. 2, astronomical activity in local community. And 3, astronomical project in our school. Okay, if you are ready, here we go.
Firstly of all, for astronomy activities, we have met a cosmic ray generated from dry ice, and we use telescope to observe the sun.
Also, we have organized an astronomy camp in the school for Mathayom for students to participate.
The camp contains of probe station, moon phase telescope to observe the star map, and take a photo with the sky.
Basically, in the past 2 months, our foundation has organized astronomy activity for the community. Okay, our foundation organized activity for the community. And in the June, we held event for the Banhoswa community. A total of 5 learning places were used, including telescope, star map, board game, drawing, coloring, and planetarium dome.
Finally, is also an astronomy project. In the past 2 months, we built a machine to learn about constellation out of simple material.
Under the Constellation Study Project, a case study of the 12 zodiac constellation model.
When your students would have fun and gain a lot of knowledge in learning this learning machine.
Okay, that's all about the astronomical activity that we organize for our student and other people nearby school in the last 2 months, 3 months. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The comments from Hossein in Iran. Amazing and fascinating group. Yes, you really are very amazing and fascinating. And a very impressive thing is that the last slide, you were constructing the machine to learn about the constellation. So you press the button and maybe the light up some LED lamp and show some constellations. So machine. So I'm interested in the machine you have built. So do you have the name of the machine? That machine?
One machine.
One?
Yeah.
Yes. I would like to ask the name of the machine if you named machine.
It's no, it's no name.
Okay.
It's,
Yes, because the machine is very impressive. So, so how about proposing the name of the machine? How about calling for the name of the machine to local people or the students in your school? So, what do you want to call this machine? For example, spectacular or futuristic or simply new machine or okay, so this is an example. Okay, so very impressive. So so you are very good at making such kind of device. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so for comments in chat room, very nice presentation. The project is amazing. Exterior planetarium. Okay, this is the proposal from a Romanian teacher. Not interior planetarium, exterior planetarium. Okay, very nice new name. Okay, so please consider the proposal from other school. So the next time we meet here in the next project program. So please teach us the name of the machine you built. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the
So sorry, Mito, I can hear your voice.
okay, so Paniwat, so do you want to make some comments?
Oh, no, thank you. So sorry.
Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the schools. If Kama-san is here, I would like to ask him make some comments, but he's very busy. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next country. First Japan, next Thailand, and then Bulgaria. But in the chat, Ivo Jokin is very busy now. After the presentation from Romania, Ivo Jokin from Bulgaria will present after that. So, Romanian teacher.
Are în spus 150, da. 150, da, păi cred că e mai bine așa ca...
Okay, so I would like to call teachers from Romania. If Luminita, are you here?
Yes, I've just joined. I
Okay,
found my
okay.
laptop discharged and I'm on my phone. Please share my video, and after that I will say something about our activity.
Okay, thank you very much. So coming back to this program, so I know that you are very busy. So running east and west. Okay, thank you very much. So
thank you.
No problem. So I will prepare the slides and the videos from you. You kindly sent me. Okay. The first, I would like to play the video. Okay. MP4. Okay. Sound. Okay, so can you see the first image of the video? Okay, maybe it is all right. Yes, very nice STEAM education. So when we talk about the STEAM education, many things like robotics or informatics, but this time the designing the dress and inspired by the astronomical phenomena. So it's great. I never see this kind of STEAM new education. And Rubinitsa, so you sent me another maybe this is okay.
Yes, I sent you that video. It is the music in this video, and it's presenting the dance of Dragaika. It's a Romanian traditions, and it's for abundance and protection of fields.
Okay. Okay. So I have another one. So I will play. Okay.
It's the
Share.
music I use for my video and
Okay.
presenting also the dance.
Okay, so this video is on the YouTube, and in case of the poor internet connection, I downloaded the low quality image, and I am now playing that one. So you will see the big two-dimensional code in the left corner, but please forgive me. Wow,
Okay.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You've seen that the fairies are wearing the Romanian blouse. Tomorrow is the Romanian blouse National Day. I'm wearing one. You can see it.
Ah,
It's
yes, thank you very much.
with flowers. Mine, but it might have other models. So yes, we thought about doing something different this year, based on calculation, and we use that data, that numbers to create our dress. Yes, science is everywhere. And I hope that our work is up to expectations.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Science is everywhere, and even in the dress making and other fields. So we have not yet noticed about. Yes, thank you very much. And maybe I think that they are the sports program high school students. So I think that's the reason
Yes.
why they can dance so energetic and very artistic. Okay, so the
Yes, they are
usual.
volleyball players, they are athletes, and handball players, and one gymnast. We had
Wow.
to adjust the waist for her because her waist is very tiny. So it
Yeah.
is an absolutely wearable dress.
Yes, yes. So yes, the usual students cannot dance that kind of very artistically or the energetically. Yes, not only the dress itself, but the dancing is also very fascinating. So this is the sports club high school can do. Yeah, thank you very much. And I'm very impressed about the new trend of STEAM education. This is the real A, not STEM, but STEM plus A. A means many things, but your
Yes.
A is very great A. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, so Tometu, Claudia, great Dominica. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so I would like to call another school teachers. Okay, so please wait a minute. Okay, so before that, I bought some book about Romania. So this is the tour guide book of Romania. Romania and Bulgaria. Okay, so I would like to have a chance to visit your country. So in your slide, in your movie, your town, the picture of your town is shown. So it's very impressive. I would like to visit your city. And this is the introductory book of the Romanian language. Yes, it will take many years for me to master your country's language, but I started.
There is no problem about the language. There are many Romanians speaking English.
Yes, thank you very much. But the beautiful landscape and great culture and the language is also very important factor to know about other country. Okay, so this is the book I bought the other day. Okay, so theoretical high school, Avram Yanku, the coordinating teacher, Vrashu Chenanu Joanna,
Yes,
are you
I'm
here?
Yes, yes, of course. I'm here, yes.
Okay, thank you very much joining this program. So I received a file from you. So do you want me to play the PowerPoint or you want to present yourself?
Yes, yes, I'm doing. Thanks. And so sorry again about the late retirement.
No problem, no problem. So I'm also very late coordinating the program.
Okay. It's okay. You see?
Yes.
Now,
I can
okay.
see the slide clearly. Summer solstice activities. Yes, thank you very much.
Okay. On the occasion of summer solstice, on 21st of June, the pupils of the first B class had some activities. Midsummer Day, Summer Solstice, the Day of the Sun, 10th of June, the Summer Holiday through Children Eye, mint lemonade, and room spray with essential oils. We discussed about the Sunday because it's the solar celestial body that governs summer and brings joy in the hot days at the beach or at the mountains. During mathematics and science classes, we discussed about and analyzed the characteristics of the sun, and we draw them accordingly. Summer solstice, which is the longest day and the shortest night, being the beginning of the astronomical summer. We watched a presentation about the summer solstice during our mathematics class, and we recorded the most important aspects. Then we joined because today is the last day of school and the first day of summer school. So we saw the summer through the children's eye and with the cherries behind their ears, because the cherries are summer fruits that are adored by children. Summer for children mean seaside, sun, friends, and fun activities. Mint lemonade and spray with essential oils, roses, lemon, and lavender. Why mint lemonade? Because there is no summer holiday without it. The practical activity was relaxing, and at the end of it, we could relax with cold lemonade. And also room spray. We use Himalaya salt, rose, and lemon essential oils, incense, and distilled water. For an hour, we were perfumers who prepare their own perfumes. And the last one, and for us the main one, was Midsummer Day. It's a celebration associated with the summer solstice. We made crown out of wildflowers, and we dance the rest in our Romanian traditional custom. So you can see that we celebrate summer and also love between us. And the name of this celebration is Sânziene. And also the name of the flowers is the same, Sânziene.
Yes, thank you very much. And in the second slide, so maybe this is the example of the student notebook. And in the left side, so the template of the sun maybe was prepared by the teacher, and students drew color
Yes,
pencils,
just
and student
completed
filled
on
in
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, in the previous program, I also was very surprised at the student notebook.
Very
Very,
colorful.
very colorful notebook and a very designing notebook compared to Japanese students. So this time again, I'm very interested in the student notebook. Not only colorful, but maybe teacher prepare the template of the sun and student filled in can fill in some words and important notions. Yes.
Yes, because we are in a primary school, so it's easier for them and more interesting.
Yes, yes. But are they primary school students? So maybe how old are the students?
7 years.
7 years old. So yeah, they are very good at using the color pencils or other painting and writing. So it's also very impressive. 7 years old, so very young, but still they can very good at making this colorful and very artistic notebook. Yes, thank you very much.
They are very good students. Thanks.
Yes, and Luminica presented the STEAM education using the dress, but this time STEAM education with food. Yes, there are various kind of STEAM education. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. So thank you very much, Joanna. So
Thank you.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. I would like to call the next school Scuola Gimnaziale Yuan Duhong Ni Chul. Sorry, my poor pronunciation. Vanesti Prahova. The coordinating teacher is Celestia Beatrice. The title of the activity is Summer Solstice 2024. Celestia or Christia. So please forgive me my not understanding the how to pronounce the Romanian alphabet. So are you here? Okay, so I can see the name of the teacher in the participants list. Christia's iPhone.
Remus Cârstea.
Okay. Okay. So I have some slides from many teachers. So if some other Romanian teachers are ready for the presentation, please go ahead. So I already called Luminica from Sports Program High School and Ioana from Avram Iancu Theoretical High School and Juliana Roman. Okay, so are you from? Yes.
Sorry, I'm only attending. I'm Juliana Roman from Pitești. I have attended all your conferences and I just attend. Not
Okay,
I haven't prepared material.
Okay,
Thank you.
no problem, no problem. So, so in fact, there are many schools, and I printed the list of the schools, so I have to find out the name of the schools and name of the teachers. Okay, so please forgive me.
Sorry, we have carried on some activities, but I haven't prepared any material for this
No problem,
conference.
no problem. So after this program, so if you have something that you want to share with us, please send me. because I will arrange the repository of this program later, because the Romanian teachers prepared many things, many slides and many movies. So I would like to arrange such kind of great resources on the website. And many other teachers want to look at the resources and want to use the resources. So actually, yesterday, I met some teachers in Japan, and I introduced this activity, especially Romanian teachers activity, to local teacher in Japan. And many teachers are very interested in the clip of the movie you kindly sent me. So after this program is all right, so please send me any material regardless of before after this program. Okay, so okay, so I would like to introduce some slides many teachers kindly sent me. Okay, so please wait a minute to. Okay, so this is the slides. Okay. Okay, maybe. Okay, so many schools. So first one is theoretical high school, Alexandru Ioana. This is the explanation of the solstice. Yes, yes, I can understand the contents of the Romanian language slides using the DeepL or other automatic translation system. Okay, so this is the very good, very nice pictures of the student activity, student learning about the summer solstice, and also enjoy painting and enjoy observing the sun using the telescope. This is another picture of the telescope observing, and the flower
Yes, we make the
artwork.
ground.
Yes, crown. Yes, yes, very nice. And this is from another school. On Dambo Vita Moreni school number 4, especially focusing on the sundial. Yes. And not only introducing the sundial in the city, students are making their own sundial to know about the motion and the date of the year. Yes, by analyzing the shadow of the sundial. Yes, so this is another slide from the secondary school. Svanta Vineri from our teacher Alexandru Rodica. The theme is also the summer solstice, the June 21st. Yes, this is the snapshot of the classroom activity explaining about the summer solstice. Yes, this is another scene from the classroom. The students are very nice learning about the teacher's explanation. And also, yes, so I'm always very impressed about the artwork by Romanian students. They are very beautiful and also contains many scientific aspects and also religious and the traditional aspects. Okay, so this is another slide from the secondary school, Basarabescu. The coordinating teacher is Vagnetti Alina. The theme is also the summer solstice. yes, the explanation of the summer solstice. And this is the classroom snapshot. Yes, the classroom snapshot is very interesting to other countries' teacher. Yes, the scene is very common. Okay, sorry. And the student drawing, and again, the very colorful, and the drawing activity is very high level. It's very impressive. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so this is another school from theoretical school, Grigore Antipa. The coordinating teacher is Voinia Accente Kostika. Yes, the teacher introduced many slides and the student activity. And again, very colorful and impressive drawing. The students are very nice, and the drawing works are very nice and wonderful. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is the from school. Okay. Ministerul LKTEI Scuola Gimnaziala Comuna Brati. Thank you very much. So this is the okay. So explanations scene. Maybe on the PC of the teacher or of the students explaining about how the summer solstice comes to our planet. Okay, so this is from another school, Scuola Gimnaziala Mihai Eminescu. The coordinating teacher is Maria Claudia Tomescu. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much for showing the flyer of this program designed by Hossein Kezuli of Iran. He is a very nice designer. He designed the flyer every time. Okay, so I would like to introduce the name of other important person, Setu Lung. He is the designer of the certification participation certificates. Okay, so this is the introduction of the drawing students activity. And this is another slide from scholar number one, Bogdaneshuti. The coordinating teacher is Moshinetu Gutu Emilia. Okay, so this is the explanation scene of the summer solstice and the student activity using the textbook and taking notes and yes, taking notes. Yes, I can see many colorful pencils. Okay, so this is an example of the student notebook. Okay, so this is the last page of the slides. So I have received many slides. So thank you very much, many teachers in Romania. So if you have more resources, more slides, or more movies, so please don't hesitate to send me the further materials to me. I will arrange all of them on the repository site. Okay, so Romanian teachers, if you want to present by yourself, please go ahead. So other teachers, so Dumitru Krengutsa, Jinka Marcel, Tatia Maria Mintia, Minita, Droghichi, Eugenia, Halia Monica, if my pronunciation is right. If not right, please forgive me. So teachers from Romania, if you want to present from your PC, we welcome your presentation. Or if you are all right, so I will call the next country, Bulgaria. Ivo Jokin, are you here? Not yet. Okay, maybe he was on this program, but he is very busy now. But he will be here again. Okay, so I will see the chat. Okay, so I think Ivo Jokin from Bulgaria will present about Bulgarian Youth STEAM and Space Festival, Hello Space, and it's sure that he will present something about the festival. But before that, I would like to play some pre-recorded videos from Greece and from Brazil. Two videos. And after that, I will call Ivo Jokin again. Okay, so please give me some time to prepare the videos. Okay. The first one is from Greece by the Hellenic Institute of Egyptology, the director of Dr. Alicia, yes, the name of the director, Alicia Maravelia. Yes, she presented her presentation in the previous program, and the time is not convenient for her, so she sent me pre-recorded video about the great temples at Thebes and the solstices, the sanctuaries of the Karnak and the Deir el-Bahri as characteristics cases. Okay, so she studies ancient Egypt culture, and maybe this video contains about her recent topics about archaeoastronomy and related things. Okay, so I will play the video, and please enjoy the video. Okay. Okay, so let's go.
I would like to thank very much my colleague, Professor Dr. Ikihiko Tomita from Wakayama University for this kind invitation. And I'm going to present you a topic about the summer solstice that we celebrate today astronomically. The great temples at Thebes and the solstices, the sanctuaries of Karnak and Deir el-Bahri as characteristic cases. Here you see the sanctuary of Hatshepsut at Deir el-Bahri that was based in order to be built to the older Middle Kingdom sanctuary of King Montuhotep I. And here is what we see from inside if we look towards the southeastern entrance of the Temple of Karnak at on the 21st of December during the sunrise. So we're going to examine these sanctuaries as characteristic cases for the solstices. The great temples of Thebes and the sunrise in the winter solstice. for the Temple of Karnak. This happens for the Akhmenu. The most important sanctuary of Thutmose III. And for the Temple of Hatshepsut, the mortuary temple of Queen Hatshepsut in Deir el-Bahri. This happens also on the 21st of December. The great temples of Thebes, like those of Karnak and the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut at the west side of the Nile, have certain astronomical and topographical orientations. The main axis of the great temple at Karnak is perpendicular to the direction of the water flow of the Nile, but at the same time it had been oriented towards the direction of the sunrise during the winter solstice. The temple of Hatshepsut in the western bank of Thebes is so oriented that its main axis has the direction of the sunrise at the winter solstice. Thus, every year the sun illumines the sacrarium on that very day, which actually corresponds to the birthday of the great solar god Ra. We examine the importance of the sunrise in the winter solstice, corresponding also to the sunset at the summer solstice, if we look towards the northwestern exit or entrance of the temple, that is the most important of the two, and its correlation with these great temples of Thebes during the New Kingdom, as well as the relation of this fact with the change in the religious beliefs of that era as compared to those of the Old Kingdom, and the influence of the royal power on this change. We also discuss the relation between the great temples of Thebes with the Nile, which together with the sun were always the sources of life in Egypt. The most important diptych according to the ancient Egyptian forma mentis is the sun on the one hand and the Nile on the other hand, emphasizing the application of modern technologies and techniques used by archaeoastronomy to study the ancient Egyptian past and the concomitant orientations of monuments. This has been published by myself and the late Professor Musallam Sultut, a great solar physicist from Egypt that was also involved very successfully with the orientation of the ancient Egyptian monuments, and a very good friend. So I would like to offer this lecture to his memory. He passed away unfortunately in 2015. Orientation of temples and winter solstice. Here you can see a place of light and shadows in the great hypostyle hall of the great temple at Karnak. And here a negative print of the photograph just before the sun is completely aligned with the southeastern entrance of the temple. Let's start with the obsolete work of Sir Norman Lockyer, who was a famous British astronomer, a specialist in spectroscopy, and also the founder of the very well-known journal Nature. He acted during the end of the 19th and the beginning of the 20th century, and he published a very well-known book, The Dawn of Astronomy, where there are pluses and also minuses. However, he was the first astronomer to measure orientations of Egyptian monuments and present some correct conclusions in some cases. Archaeoastronomy must function as a strict interdisciplinary science together with Egyptology or together with archaeology. There are modern interdisciplinary works that have promoted archaeoastronomy, the works of Saltud, Belmonte, and others. Application of modern techniques and technology must be done with scrutiny. For example, we must possess very precise archaeoastronomical professional compasses with clinometers. We can use also theodolites and GPS devices, and also sometimes to corroborate or check our results, the specialized software Google Earth to check the orientations of monuments. Winter and summer solstices were very important for the ancient Egyptian forma mentis. The solstitial orientations and their proper significance is going to be discussed. Cosmographic metaphysical semantics of the birth of the solar god Ra. This is the basis, religion is the basis for astronomy in ancient Egypt. So, here you can see what we observe through the southeastern entrance of the temple of Karnak during the sunrise on the 21st of December. A photo also taken by the Spanish-Egyptian mission by Juan Antonio Belmonte, who is still the president of Commission C4 of Division C of the International Astronomical Union. And here you can see the ruins, some of the ruins of the Ahmenu, the most important sanctuary of Thutmose III in Karnak. And this was built as a response to the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut, the response against his stepmother, because he didn't like her, because she was suppressing him when he was not adult, when he was younger. And this is the Ahmenu. The cosmographic significance and importance of an Egyptian temple is very well attested. For example, the pylons and the entrance symbolize the horizon. The hypostyle hall symbolizes the initial Mars, wherefrom the creation started, and the Holy of Holies, the sanctuary, the inner sanctuary, the sacrarium symbolizes the initial mount of creation, according to the Heliopolitan cosmology and cosmography and theology. Let's go to the Temple of Karnak. The Temple of Karnak is the most important probably of all Egyptian temples. It's the biggest one in the area of Thebes and all over Egypt, and it is very important to note that it consists of a palimpsest of architectonic evolution, which interestingly follows the Fibonacci sequence. That is, the additions of to this temple, the architectural additions, follow a Fibonacci sequence. Everything starts from a very poor, let's say poor core of the Middle Kingdom temple, and then it expands with Amenhotep I, one of the first pharaohs of the New Kingdom of the 18th dynasty, and we go to Thutmose's first and second. Hatshepsut, she was very ambitious. She built her famous Red Chapel. Thutmose III, a lot by Thutmose III, as you can see, Amenhotep III, Horemheb, and then we go to the 19th dynasty with Seti and Ramses II. Seti II, Ramses III, the third in the 20th dynasty. Even in the Bubastite era, the Ethiopian dynasty and Nectanebo I, one of the last pharaohs of pharaonic Egypt during the 30th dynasty, and also the Ptolemaic era by the Macedonian Ptolemaic dynasty. You can see also some additions. Here two of the very famous obelisks of Karnak. We have an alignment towards the sunrise at the winter solstice, approximately 170 degrees. It is a very important azimuth. Alignment towards the sunset at the summer solstice, 170 plus 180 degrees, if we look through the northwestern entrance. And we talked already about the orientation of the Ahmenu. It symbolizes the rebirth of the solar god in the winter solstice. So we can observe, we can know the solar transformation of Thebes, that is called also Unushema in ancient Egyptian, that is the southern Heliopolis, or the Heliopolis of the south, through the solarization of Karnak by means of royal power. This is the sacred lake of the Karnak complex as is reconstructed today, and here we're going to look at a Google Earth photograph taken from a satellite. Here is the rotary of the compass, and this is the main entrance that looks towards the northwestern horizon, and here is the name of the complex, Ipet Sur, the most select of places, and here is the main axis of the temple, with the azimuth 116.75, approximately 107, as I said already. It looks towards the azimuth of sunrise in the winter solstice. From this entrance it looks towards the azimuth of sunset in the summer solstice. And here you can see the main entrance, the northwestern entrance, with what remains nowadays from the Avenue of Sphinxes, uniting the great temple of Karnak with the southern temple, the southern harem, as the Egyptians were calling it, in Luxor, the Ibet Resit. and some other aspects of the temple. And here is the phenomenon as was photographed on the 21st of December 2021. It's extremely breathtaking to see the sun aligned with the main axis of the temple. The azimuth is about 170 degrees. And here we see it through the main entrance, but looking towards the azimuth of the secondary entrance. This is southeast, and the opposite to here is northwest, excuse me. And the ram-headed sphinxes, dedicated to Amun. Let's go now to the temple of the mortuary temple of Queen Hatshepsut at Deir el-Bahri. This was used as an archetype, the Middle Kingdom temple by Pharaoh Montuhotep I. It's also a very interesting temple showing the association between king or queen and the local divinities. The same principle holds for the Ramesseum, the mortuary temple of Ramses II, that is also famous for a very important astronomical ceiling. The temple of Seti I, King Seti I at Abydos, which is also famous for a very important astronomical composition known as the Book of Nut, or as we call it more modernly today, the Book of Knowing the Course of the Fundamentals of the Stars. And it consists of a very important decanal transit clock. Hatshepsut's temple is a solar prototype for the New Kingdom, as is also the temple of Karnak. We have an alignment towards the winter solstice at sunrise. For the temple of Hatshepsut is 160 degrees from the temple, approximately. From the temple of Montuhotep, the first is 180 degrees. That is, actually the temple of Karnak is a little bit more precisely oriented towards the sunrise and the winter solstice. And we can say also that there are the hymns of the hours in the solar sign of the upper terrace of the temple that was oriented towards this phenomenon. So we note also the solarization since the Old and the Middle Kingdoms. Here you see the Google Earth photo of both the temple of Montuhotep I and the temple of Queen Hatshepsut, the mortuary temple, and this is the Rosary of the Compass. And here you see the name, Jesser Jesseru, the Holy of Holies, it was its name, and the name for the temple of Montuhotep, the sanctuary of Montuhotep I, Ak-Sut Nebhe-Petra. And this is the azimuth, approximately 116 degrees. So when somebody looks in the winter solstice, you will see the phenomenon I'm going to show you in the next slide. Here is an archaeoastronomical simulation for January 15, 460 BC. This is following the Julian calendar, of course, and you can see an accumulation of planets, and there is a close conjunction between Mercury and Venus, and also Mars in a looser conjunction with Venus and Mercury. The phenomenon can be observed after sunset, of course, in the western horizon. Here we see the eastern horizon, and Venus, we know, it's the most bright celestial object after the sun and the moon. More aspects of the temples, the temple of Montuhotep and the temple of Hatshepsut, and we come now to this axis and the next slide. So, excuse me, the one after the next. This one shows what one can see if he puts himself or herself with his or her back towards the main temple of Hatshepsut, and they will see the sunrise on the 21st of December. That is during the winter solstice. Unfortunately, the hills behind the temple block our view towards the northwestern view of the sunset during the summer solstice. Reasons for changing orientation attitude. Why the Egyptians did this? To change the orientation of their temples from true east during the Old Kingdom to the winter solstice during the New Kingdom. That is to start with an equinoctial orientation and go towards a solstitial orientation. Of course, it was not by chance. First of all, because of the Celtic change from a rather pure solar to a mixed solar religion, we start from Ra in the Old Kingdom, from Memphis and Heliopolis, the main Celtic center of the Old Kingdom, and we go to Amun-Ra in the Middle and the New Kingdoms. Amun was the most important divinity of the area of Thebes, and it was syncretized, unified with Ra. So we had a god Amun-Ra, and Amun with solar trades. And also the apparent solar diameter is maximum during the winter solstice, when the Earth is in the perihelion. That's why, of course, as we know, the summer in the northern hemisphere is milder than is the winter in the southern hemisphere, and also the winter in the southern hemisphere is during our summer, that is much more much worse than our winter. Because of the Sothic period, the second reason discrepancy, that is related to the heliacal rising of Sirius and the avoidance of compensating for the difference between the civil and the tropical year. The start of the civil year shifted from summer to winter as the centuries elapsed from the Old Kingdom to the New Kingdom. This is another reason. And here you can see how we can calculate it following after Ingham, how we can calculate the length of the Sothic period. This is the pole of the ecliptic, the north ecliptic pole, and this is the north celestial pole, and this is the gamma point, the equinox point, the spring equinox point, and we can say that approximately the Sothic cycle is about 1460 years. So when a Sothic cycle is closing, then we have the heliacal rising of Sirius. That is the most important phenomenon to determine the start of the new year in ancient Egypt, the ancient Egyptian New Year's Day. So when a Sothic cycle closes, some years before and some years after, very few years before, very few years after this event, then what we have that the heliacal rising of Sirius takes place exactly on the first day of the first month of the first season, that is the season of the inundation of the ancient Egyptian calendar. The ancient Egyptian calendar had 3 seasons of 4 months each: the inundation, the winter, and the summer. So, having said that, I have to say also that this orientation tendency continues still down into the Helleno-Roman and Coptic eras in the whole of Egypt and even in Europe, where there are many sanctuaries of Isis, like for example in Greece and other places. Even in Britain you can find a sanctuary of Isis, and some of the sanctuaries of Isis, they were later turned into Christian churches celebrating Virgin Mary. This is how the Egyptians were orientating their temples in a ceremonial way. This is called the Uhawawat, the extension of the cord, the extension of the rope by the pharaoh and the priestess who plays the role of the goddess Seshat, the goddess of libraries, astronomical measurements, etc., who bears on her head a very strange diadem. It's actually a topographical or astronomical instrument. And here is Hatshepsut dressed as a pharaoh. As I said, she was very ambitious. We can see here her cartouche, Ma'at Kara was her prenomen, her throne name. And in doing this, one of them, most probably the pharaoh, was looking towards the north, towards most probably the Great Bear, the Ursa Major. And from the work of Juan Antonio Belmonte, Mossadam Saltut, José Lul and colleagues, you can see the number of temples oriented in one or another way. So what we can see from a sample of 330 temples that today has become about 500 monuments all over Egypt and Nubia is a very important work. The most important and out of question, statistically absolutely justified peaks is the peak of the equinox and the peak of the solstice, of the winter solstice. There are 7 groups of orientations. The most important is the first, and the second, the equinoctial and the solstitial group. So, we have presented an interdisciplinary study of the archaeoastronomical orientation of the great temples of Thebes and its Egyptological implications. We studied 2 characteristic cases of New Kingdom temples at the area of Thebes, east and west, and we did this using modern methods. And I have to say that the temple of Hatshepsut is in the western part of Thebes. It's a mortuary temple, and the temple of Karnak is an eastern temple in the eastern bank of Thebes, and it started to be built from a core, as I have shown already, since the Middle Kingdom. The royal power and politics, and also the theology from the Old Kingdom down to the New Kingdom, have played a crucial role. The monarch's desire to be reborn with the sun. The changes in the alignment attitudes have been also discussed. Archaeoastronomy or astroarchaeology of the terrestrial and the heavenly landscapes, the local horizon, must be applied in scrutiny and also in an orthodox way, in good relation and collaboration with archaeology or Egyptology. The reasons for these changes were also presented. The azimuths of both Karnak, especially the Akhmenu, and of the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut were purposely solstitial, approximately 170 degrees. Thank you very much once more, and I hope you enjoyed my lecture, and happy solstice to everybody. Thanks once more to Professor Akihiko Tomita. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much watching the pre-recorded video from the director, Dr. Alicia Maravelia of Hellenic Institute of Egyptology. She sent me this video just the other day. She wanted to introduce her recent topic about the archaeoastronomy, especially the direction of the ancient Egypt temples. So though the video is a little long, but I'm sure you can enjoy the recent research about the Egypt ancient temples. And as I said, so I will put the English subtitles. So actually, to tell the truth, I'm not so familiar with the archaeoastronomy, and I have looked dictionaries or other books about the technical terms. And with the subtitles, you can understand the contents of this kind of research much more clearly. Okay, so please give me 1 month or a little more to complete the subtitle. Okay, so the remaining thing is the presentation from Ivo Jokin from Bulgaria and the small video from Brazil. Okay, so Ivo Jokin, are you here?
Yes. Hello. Are you hear me?
Yes, thank you very much. Long time no see. And yes, Ivo. So I have one comment from a school, from a teacher in Japan. So today a teacher from a school visited my university. The school is the school yes, yeah, last year a student from that school won the second prize of the space art.
Prize of the space art, yeah, I
Yes.
remember. Yeah.
Yes, the painting work was on the wall of the school, so
Yeah.
many students know about the space art, and some other teacher said to me that, wow, the space art contest, I will encourage my students next time. Okay, so this is the comment from Japanese school.
Thank you. I remember this is a very beautiful drawing from the students. Very beautiful moon under the sea. Yeah, I remember this works of these two. So send please greetings again to these very nice students from these schools and director of schools, of course, and teachers. So I will start, and I ask you to help me to change slides because I will be with my telephone. I traveling, have a lot of works according to this festival. Hello, everybody. Nice to see you again in this fantastic online event, Astronomy Day in Schools. Thank you, Akihiko Tomita, for this invitation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ivo Jokin. I am Director of Municipal Center for Extracurricular Activities, Bulgaria. I'm member of National Astronomy Educational Committee, Bulgaria, International Astronomy Union, and member of Executive Council of European Association for Astronomy Education. So my presentation today will be for a great festival, science, yacht, STEM and space, Hello Space, which will be held exactly after 2-3 days in 25 of June in Sofia, our capital in Bulgaria. So let's start to presentation. Akihiko. We not hear you. Yeah, I sent already in PPT and PDF format. There is just 7 slides, I think. Akihiko, are you hear me? Turn microphone. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I mute the microphone. I mute the microphone. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
I sent you because I switch with my phone because I'm traveling and I have no time, not computer, not camera. I send by email PPT and PDF format. I will, I will introduce. Okay, this festival is one of the biggest festival. Are you ready with PPT?
Yes, not yet. So I received an email from you yesterday saying that you would like to present a short presentation about Bulgarian Youth STEAM and Space Festival, Hello Space, the fourth edition, which will be held on June 25th. Yes, without any attachment or without the link to the files. So so far I haven't have any material from you directly, But I know what is the content you would like to share with us? The Hello Space, the STEAM and Space Festival. So if I can find the website of Hello Space.
Hello Space. Yeah, Hello Space. I will explain. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe there was a problem with attachment of this file. I don't know what the problem. Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
Yes,
just
sometimes it happens, and
Yeah.
if you would kindly send me the files later, so I will
will
put
send.
the
Yeah,
I will
of
put
course.
the files in the repository, and everybody
Okay.
will enjoy. Maybe here the Steam part, not here. The I would like to
Hello Space.
Hello Space, Bulgarian. Okay. Okay, Hello Space 4.0, Bulgarian Youth STEAM and Space.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I found
exactly.
the website. Please wait a minute. Yes, very artistic and very okay. So I will share the website. Okay, so how about this?
Yeah, this is there is English version. Just click right up button. There is English. No, right next right. No, yeah, next not next
Not
to
this?
the end of the right. Yeah, no, up. No. Right. No, here is a left. No,
Okay,
BG. Yeah. English. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we have a lot of activities during this festival. First, we have workshops. If you click activities or program or contest, maybe contest. Okay. Here is the activity. Will be a great event with astronaut. Just return to activity. Yeah, will be in live. Michael Lopez Alegria, NASA astronaut. He will be here in festival because we have two competition. One is for students, questions to this astronaut. After that, they will meet with him, and they will have chance to send this in live session questions to the astronaut. Another competition is drawing competition, art competition, our wonderful universe. Yeah, contest. I think in Bulgarian. Yeah, this is in competition. Sorry, in Bulgarian. I'm responsible for this competition. If you click right, you can see the picture. No, this button. Okay, this is first place for this competition. This is very young students. We have three category for first to fourth grade, from fifth to seventh grade, and for eighth to 12th grade. Very inspiring, very beautiful works they submitted. Yeah, here you can see some of the arts. So in 25th of June, there will be official ceremony. We will give and Michael Lopez Alegria, NASA astronaut, with me together. We will give certificates of participation of these students and prize, very beautiful prize. Here is a second, I think, prize. Very young people. Also, we have a lot of workshops, a lot of another event, main lecture to inspiring students to study, to learn more about astronomy and space. So this is fourth edition and will be, I think, another great festival. Maybe next year, just idea, I invite you, all students, all teachers from all the world to participate. We will extend this festival, this competition, art competition, maybe to students from all the world. So we will be happy to receive works from students from all the world. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, Akihiko, for your help.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, as I said, the teachers and students in Japan are also very interested in very nice and very casual, also very casual competition and contest of artwork and other activities. So one of the students, today I met one of the students said that, wow, so the one student from Japan won the prize. That's very interesting. And also the communication between many countries are very wonderful. I would like to join this contest. Okay, so I will disseminate the latest information and the resources and opportunities to teachers and students in Japan. And this Astronomy Day in Schools program, so many teachers and students from Romania, Iran, Thailand, and many other countries, Abik from India. So please share this information to your country. Yes, thank you very much. Great information, Ivo Joaquin. Thank you very much. Okay, so the last resources I have in my PC is a small video message from Brazil. The astronomy educator Flavio, who are working on the new book for early childhood education. So please enjoy the short message. This is the last resource of today's program. Okay. Okay, so this is the video. Okay. Share. Okay. I have to check the sound. Oh, yes, it's okay. Okay, so this is the short message, video message from Flavio, the astronomy educator in Brazil, about the new book for early childhood education and the teacher training. Okay, so this is all in my PC. So I think that today's program's common theme is the outreach activity to very young children in Thailand, in Romania, in Japan, and in Brazil, and the extensive STEAM activity, especially presented by Romanian teachers. STEAM with dress, STEAM with food. It's very extensive and new trend. Thank you very much. And also many other great club student activity. And I hope that teachers and students can exchange ideas and exchange the enthusiasm and exchange the passion of the astronomy and hoping for our better life. Okay, so thank you very much. So today's program is also very long, so thank you very much for joining this program again. Okay, so before closing today's event, I would like to take the snapshot of the Zoom windows. So if you are all right, please turn on your camera. I will take the pictures. Okay, so where is the print screen? Okay, sometimes I fail to take a picture. Okay, so please give me some time to prepare. Whoa. Minute. Gallery. Okay, thank you very much. Yes. Yes, thank you very much. So, are you all right for me to press the print screen button? Okay. Okay. Take a picture. Okay. One more time. Okay, so I again press the button. Thank you, Eva Joaquin. Okay, so in case of my failure, so please press the print screen button on your PC or cell phone also. Okay. Okay, so after finishing this program, I will edit the video. So sometimes I cannot catch the technical term or other important terms I'm not sure about. So I may ask later about such kind of words. So what is the meaning or what is the special word? So so please help me complete the subtitle of the video. And I promise you that after editing the subtitle and the video, I will make the index of the small clip of each activity. For example, the STEAM, about the new STEAM example from Romanian teachers, the item of the outreach to very young children. So the activity by the Thailand student, activity by Brazilian teachers, or something like that. So, but I'm not so familiar with designing the website. So if you are the experts of the website designing, so please advise me. So, so anyway, so let's make the repository together to disseminate the great resources to other countries, many teachers. So this meeting is not only for us, but for many other teachers around the world. So I would like to disseminate this great activity and resources. Okay, So anyway, thank you very much. So maybe next time in autumnal equinox, September equinox, in the late September, I would like to meet you again with many new resources. Okay, so thank you very much today. So thank you, all of you.
Thank you all.